Hi, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This is my second video for the cruise collection, and you will see I have some different pieces here this time. Shoes, some SLGs, some accessories, handbags, hats. So let's start with the ready to wear. This one is a crochet knit sweater in a 38. This feels like a pretty thick knit. Also from, of course, 23C, which all of these pieces should be 23C. And we move on to another one here. I think this one looks very cool. It's pretty heavyweight, just so you know. It's not very lightweight, but it will retain its shape, which is nice. But it's a t-shirt. And here is the tag for it. There is this sweater. I don't really like the feel of this. It feels like scratchy wool, but cute detailing. And here's the tag. It's a pullover sweater. And then there's the detailing there. The skirt that goes with this. There's also a black one coming in. Here is the tag, the size 38. It says white navy. It looks black in here, but probably is just due to lighting. Long. This looks like a shirt dress to me, but we'll see what the tag says. So it is a silky, yeah, it says it's a dress. It is a silky dress. And here we go. And then a 22 bag here at the end. The 22 that has the white stitching, which came in for 23C. Two hats up here. So those of you looking for the red hat, I will try it on and give you the price and the tag. And this one here, the sequin hat, here's the bucket hat tag for this, in case you're looking for it. And then moving here, so first handbag, I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is a Cocoa Crush. I have to take a look at the tag when I actually try it. Feels fantastic, by the way. The leather feels really good. Some of them not so much anymore. This one feels nice. This is kind of the it bag, according to my fashion advisor for the season, and I'll show you the tag for that when I get to that. The 19 denim. The small card holder. Here's some other pieces. So the heartbroken, the double-sided necklace, the little bracelet here, cuff. Here's another cuff. Here is a headband, sequin headband, kind of matches the hat a bit. And here are some additional pieces. You can take a look here. See if you see anything of interest, then you can send a screenshot to your fashion advisor. And then finally we have these, which I will also try separate and let you know what the information is on them. So enjoy video 2 of 23C. Hi everyone, welcome to my second video of Cruise 23C. I'm starting this video off headless so you can see the full length of this silk dress. Definitely needs something to pull it in, maybe a cute little belt. Has a nice slit on the side, which I think is sexy. It's a little bathrobe-y to me. Some cool details here. You can see the buttons look nice, and yeah, overall I think it's very cute. It's just not my style, but here, in case for those of you who are wondering, here's what it looks like. I'm gonna try on a skirt and then leave it on, and then try on the other pieces to show you the other pieces I have for video 2. All right, so I'm continuing with the head cut off look so you can see the whole look. So this is white and navy. It's definitely, that's more like ecru actually, in navy. I think the skirt's really cute, has a lot of great potential. I'm not so sure about the sweater. By the way, it is itchy. It's cashmere, but it's itchy. Here's the look of this. Too nautical for me, just my own personal taste. And then here's the ruffled look. I think it's very cute, very body conscious. It's just this will come in black, by the way, which might be a better solution for many of us. But you know, overall, I think it's a cute style and design. It's just a little bit plain, right, for Chanel if we're going to spend a lot of money on trying to get our pieces to look amazing. So I will try on the last 4 that I have in here, and then I'll show you some handbags. All right, welcome back. So this is the one I was looking forward to trying. It's 36. It's very tight on me, so I would go with the 38. It's 100% cotton, doesn't have any give to it. Nicely shaped. Here's what I like about it. I think it's just a nice subtle touch, black, cool, And here's what the top looks like for those of you looking for this t-shirt. Now I'll try the next one. Okay, so this is very similar to video one, the t-shirt. Well, it's the same as video one, the t-shirt. A little bit better when it's in black. Black with white detail, obviously racing stripe down the side. And it fits well because it has a good combination, that 80-20 of cotton and elastane. So for those of you looking for this t-shirt, I think it's pretty cool. And I would recommend it. It feels good. It's like a medium weight fabric. Still has that same little design in it that I'm not a big fan of. We'll try to get close so you can see it in the arm here. But overall, it's pretty cute. So nice fitted here. They've done a good job, this whole cruise collection, in my opinion, that I've seen so far, fitting in the waistline. So if you're looking for that, that is definitely nice. All right, so this one is cotton and polyester. I left the t-shirt on underneath just because it's so sheer to be trying on in a video, but very sparkly. Let me get up close. Tons of sparkle on this one. It is white with gold and silver, and I'll show you the button up close. And it's lightweight. It feels very nice. It's not too itchy. It's a little bit. The metallic's a little itchy. I think with some jeans and without obviously all this stuff I have going on, it could be something that we could rock. So I think this one's a maybe, but it's got a much higher price point, and it does have a little bit of stretch here, which is really nice. So now I'm going to show you some bags while I have this on. Actually, I'll just take this off, and I will show you some of the bags and hats that are here for this collection. So the first one that I'll show you, this is a size medium bucket hat. Here's the tag. This is what it looks like. I'm not a fan of these. Anytime I look like Gilligan, I don't like them, but I'm showing them for all of you who might be interested. This is what it looks like. Okay, and now I will show you the one that has the sequins, also a medium. It's just looks like Gilligan with sequins. So not my thing, but those of you that have a different shaped head would probably be able to pull this off. But here's what it looks like. Okay, so new color, Duvel, and here is the tag for it. So this is a very interesting color green. I don't really know what to make of this color, actually, like what to call it. This is the inside of this bag. It's a kind of a light taupe color interior, and it's the new one that has the handle and the shoulder strap, which I like a lot. But this green is just I don't know, I have a waffle print top that I was wearing in a video for 22K that I think will remind many of you of this, but just looks a little off. Something about this green looks a little off to me. It's not green, not taupe, it's just something in between. But I love that size, by the way. I've been traveling with it and it's great. So I want to show you this bag first. And the reason I want to show you this one is I have not felt such nice leather on Chanel in a really long time. So it's 53, and here's the tag for it. For those of you looking for it, find it here. And have not tried it on, haven't even looked inside. I don't know what this one's called. Some of you will probably know before me. Here's the inside. I think this is a Coco Force. I'm not 100% sure. The back has a nice pocket for a phone. Thank you, Chanel, for finally listening to so many of us. I like that it has a strap here to carry on the arm, and also a shoulder strap. I don't think we're going to be able to do this one crossbody. So that's where it would end up. I'm 5'4", and you can see you have to be like 4 foot to pull that off. My daughter probably can't even pull it off. So it's kind of, if you like crossbody, it's a little impractical, but if you like more traditional style or sized bags, I think it's very cool. Again, the leather on this feels awesome. It's soft, it's supple. Those of you that like caviar are not gonna like this. I'm like a fan of lambskin, and it does feel like that. And it has all these little charms on it along the way, which I think are very cool and add a little different element to this bag. So with that said, let me show you what I have been told is this season's it bag, and I was on the list for this one. It is a patent leather, kind of crumpled leather. I'll show you the tag first. It's the hobo bag. Here's the tag, and it has a pocket on the back, pocket in the front, pocket here, yay for pockets. Very open inside, has a it's structured, so you actually can't really get it any closer than that without closing it with a magnetic strap, a magnetic latch. And then this is where it hangs crossbody. It hangs here. So if I'm just looking at it like, do I like it? I like it. I think it looks good. I think it's cool. It's fun, stylish. I like that it's patent. It feels thick though. For those of you who don't like bulky bags, it does feel very thick on my body. So just something to keep in mind. The thickness is almost annoying actually. So once it's full of things, all of our bags get thick anyway, but it's got ample room. This is actually the larger size. There's a smaller one for those of you ladies that like, and gentlemen that like a smaller bag. So yeah, that's this one here. And then I will show you this 19 actually has a mini out as well. This is the 19. There's a light blue and a dark blue. So this is the tag for the dark blue. And it's 53, same price that all of these have really been, between 5 and 6. So it's just similar denim bag to what we've seen, but a darker denim stripe. And then we have this little card case. I know some of you have been looking or asking me about this one. So here is your tag. And this is $5.50. And it has a little charms on the front. I think the heart is what's got a lot of folks interested. Let me show you a couple of pairs of shoes. Obviously, because I'm dealing with my ongoing foot surgery drama, I'm not going to be trying these, but I can show you what they look like. I don't have a box to give you a style number, but you can give a photo to your fashion advisor. Inside it says C39022 if you're looking for this. Similar but different color, same number. This one's white with black. Same thing here for me. I can't wear these at the moment. And then my final two, this leather slipper. So this says G39692, and it has this one probably be very popular. It has the detail here. And then we have the sneakers. Put this down, the sneakers here. And I would probably be loving these if I wasn't limping around, but you can see the detail on the side, the sparkle, there's a lot of shine to them. Kind of different than the rest of the collection, which was very gold. There's gold and silver actually in a lot of this collection. So the number inside is G39792 for those of you looking for this sneaker. It has this little cool spot here. I actually like that. Very padded, by the way. They feel really nice. That's what I have to show you so far. So I hope you've enjoyed video 1 and 2 of Cruise 23. And please subscribe for more content. I will post these as I'm able to try various pieces and bring them to you. So thank you for watching.